Hello my dear student, the student of the 3rd grade from أطفال الرمث النموذجية Academy. How are you today? Hope you are fine. Today we want to do some exercises together. So at the beginning, please open your student book at page 20. Open your student book at page 20. Exercise 2. Exercise 2. Listen and tick or cross. Tick يا ثالث معناها صح. Okay, cross خطأ. So you have to write either tick or cross. At the beginning, look at this picture. We have a picture in this exercise. So what's the weather like in this picture? What's the weather like in this picture? Is it rainy? No, it isn't. Is it snowy? No, it isn't. Is it cold? Is it stormy? No, it isn't. It is sunny. It is hot. It's sunny and hot. So this picture is for Jerash. Okay, so what's the weather like in Jerash today? What's the weather like in Jerash today? Is it windy? Is it windy? No, it isn't. So write cross. Is it sunny? Look at this picture. Is it sunny? Yes, it is. It is sunny. Is it hot? Is it hot? Yes, it is. Is it cold? Look at the picture. Is it cold? No, it isn't. It isn't cold. Is it rainy? No, it isn't. So write cross. So the weather in Jerash today is hot and sunny. Hot and sunny. مشمس وحار. It isn't windy. It isn't cold. It isn't rainy. Move to exercise 3, ask and answer. In this exercise, we can see Jordan's map. We can see Jordan's map. What do we mean by Jordan's map? يا ثالث Jordan's map اللي هي خريطة الأردن. خريطة الأردن. So we can see Irbid, Salt, Amman, Petra, and Aqaba. In this exercise, you have to describe the weather. You have to describe the weather in Irbid, in Salt, in Amman, in Petra, and in Aqaba. You have to describe the weather in Irbid, in Salt, in Amman, in Petra, and in Aqaba. So look at Irbid. What's the weather like in Irbid? Is it hot? No, it isn't. It is. What's the weather like in Irbid? What's the weather like in Irbid? It's what? It's rainy. It's rainy. Okay? It is rainy. It is rainy. Now, what's the weather like in Salt? Salt اللي هي السلط يا ثالث. تمام? What's the weather like in Salt? It is or it's rainy. It's rainy. Like Irbid, it's rainy. Now, what's the weather like in Amman? Look at this tree. What's the weather like in Amman? Is it hot? No, it isn't. Is it rainy? No, it isn't. Is it sunny? No, it isn't. It's windy. It's windy. وشو حكينا يا ثالث? What's the meaning of windy? ما معنى windy؟ windy عاصف بس فيه رياح خفيفة. رياح خفيفة. So it's windy. It's windy. It isn't hot. Now look at Petra. What's the weather like in Petra? What's the weather like in Petra? Is it hot? No, it isn't. Is it rainy? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It's very cold. Look at this. It's very cold. It's very cold and windy. And what? And windy. Move to Aqaba. What's the weather like in Aqaba? Is it cold like this? No, it isn't. Is it windy? No, it isn't. Is it rainy? No, it isn't. It is very hot. It's very hot. It's very hot in Aqaba. It is very hot in Aqaba. So this is Jordan's map. خريطة الأردن. Jordan's map. خريطة الأردن. We are talking about the weather in Irbid, Salt, Amman, Petra, and Aqaba. We describes. You have to describe the weather in Irbid. You have to describe the weather in Salt, in Amman, in Petra, and Aqaba. What's the weather like in Irbid? It's rainy. In Salt, it's rainy. In Amman, it's windy. In Petra, it is very cold and windy. In Aqaba, it's very hot. Okay, now move to exercise 4, read and match. Exercise 4, read and match. There are 4 pictures and there are 4 sentences. You have to match each sentence with the suitable picture. نوصل يا ثالث كل جملة مع الصورة المناسبة إلها. Look at picture number 1. What's the weather like in picture A? It is windy. It's windy. What's the weather like in picture B? It is snowy. مثلج. It's snowy. What's the weather like in picture C? It is hot. It's hot and sunny. You can eat ice cream. What's the weather like in picture D? It is sunny. It is sunny. It's warm and sunny. So, sentence number 1. I am Isa. In my favorite season, we ride our bikes. Ride, نقود. We ride, نقود. Our bikes, دراجات الهوائية. ثالث bikes, دراجات هوائية. It's sunny. It isn't hot. It's sunny. It isn't hot. So, which picture is sunny and it isn't hot? And they can ride their bikes. Excellent picture D. Now, hello, I am Ziyad. Sentence number 2. Hello, I am Ziyad. In my favorite season, the weather is hot and sunny. The weather is hot and sunny. So which picture is hot and sunny? Which picture is hot and sunny? Excellent, picture C. So match 2 with C. My name's Aisha. 3. My name's Aisha. In my favorite season, it's snowy. It's snowy. Which picture is snowy? A or B? Excellent, B. So match 3 with B. Sentence number 4. I am Nawal. I like windy weather. I like windy weather. I like أحب windy weather. الطقس إيش يا ثالث؟ اللي فيه رياح خفيفة. What is my favorite season? What is my favorite season? Which season is windy? Which season is windy? Autumn. Autumn, okay? So, autumn is windy. Autumn is windy. So, match number 4 with A. So, picture A. Which season is it? It is autumn. فصل الخريف. It is autumn. Picture B. Which season is it? It is winter. It is winter. C. Which season is it? It is summer. It is summer. D. Which season is it? It is spring. It is spring. And that's it. Goodbye and see you soon.